In order to do this, the owner of the realm has to access the edit function for their realm or world. On the right side menu, they will be able to find the option Download a World. What they have to do to transfer the ownership is download the Minecraft Realms world, and they will access an MC pack file. With that world downloaded and that file acquired, they can just transfer that file using maybe a USB flash drive, an external hard drive, SSD, or online through, for example, Google Drive, Open, Cloud, etc. After they transfer the MC pack that includes the world file, someone else can just open up that MC pack file to get the world and upload into a realm themselves. Keep in mind that the new owner also has to have a realm subscription active that they can purchase through the Minecraft Marketplace, and as long as they publish or upload the same world file, they will be able to transfer the ownership of that world. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Minecraft world ownership. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.